about me coming from the consultancy background as well. Many times we have a client has told me, please apply for this. We go ahead, we apply for it. They say it's greenfield, isn't it? So along the way, among the conditions, a startup project, a new field, someone who's never done that particular thing, they want to support you. Along the way, they say they want a bank statement for 2 years. No. So what I do is I tell the client, don't go for it. You're wasting your time. Because if you're telling me it's a new field, it's something new I should be doing, why are you asking me for a bank statement for 2 years? You understand? So yes, I do share the concerns that you have raised. Right, they're very, very vital. So Lynette, over to you.
Now I'm in the production field.
Okay.
So for us who are in production, one of my major concerns